Pablo.
Ang gabi sa mga ako si Ken.
I'm Justin. Hi everyone, I'm Stel.
And I'm Josh.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Hindi nyo alam? Pwede naman, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Shami. This is your third year collaborating with Shami. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang, we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having, being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na kami sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13 and now nandito na tayo sa 15. So, talagang ang tindi po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As Titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Titan Tough po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madala yung struggle sa amin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami sa matibay na tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung malibag ko dyan, ginawa sa akin. Titan Tough.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakaalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Ang tagal na po namin magkakasama, pero 10 taon na po kami magkakasama and now we have established our own company that's called One Tier Entertainment. So, katulad ng Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough na lang ang SB19. Ilang taon na pagdaan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are gonna share photos with us and why they're your favorite photos, right? Okay, let's go.
First photo.
Ito pong photo, aking photo. Nakilala lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha niya po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity pa rin yung photo. So, yan, may shift. Tapos yung cat parang, para sa akin parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling, yung bibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo. Yeah.
Napaka-sentimental naman nila, guys. Let's see the next photo.
Another animal.
Okay.
Ako yan.
Feeling talaga kayo, no?
Grabe yung gagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform. Ano po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakita lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang dito, ang catch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zoom ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Ganda ng selfie mo. Di ba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute na moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicture ko yung dog niya.
Okay. Can we see the next photo? Animal, guys.
Yun naman po sa amin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang gusto ko po yung photo nito. And yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this, like, gaya na sabi ni Style, kahit i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay. Next photo.
Wow!
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako, and outdoor siya sa kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang ng photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag ito kanina. Yung sun, directly doon sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicturean ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature na Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicturean ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nag-blur yun sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus. So nag-focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung ganun effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment ko na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So medyo nag-clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumabo. So ayun yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly tight and tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna wanna whip up your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is